it, you got to remove 110 mil. SAAB 93, as you can see, display doesn't work. Keys in. No sound, and no reverse sensing sound either, no door chime, nothing. So we're gonna find out what the trouble is. Most 93, not the convertible, regular one, they do have an amplifier on the driver's side seat. This one is a convertible. There is no amp under the driver's seat. Rather, it has amplifier on this panel, driver's side. To get to it, you gotta take the two screws, torque number 50. There's one on each side. Once you remove them, this bottom panel comes out. The amp is hidden behind this panel here. So we're gonna get to that. The first thing you're gonna do is remove the headrest. The torx 50 screw right here in the middle. That's 20. That's 20? No, it's gotta be 50. That's a big. It's a 20? 35. 35. It's a torx number 35. There's a one on each side. So remove that. And the back seat comes out. Okay, so once you have the seat out, you can actually replace the sub in the back.
Hold it back in.
Pop out the wheel. You can have a little access to it. There are two screws holding onto the speaker. Torque number 25. So once you have those two screws out, simply pull straight up out. Okay. See, there's an amplifier right there. Check that. Make sure this amplifier is okay. If you check the amp is good. There's no water damage on it. There's a little rust mark here and there, but it's not physically damaged. Okay, this is a trunk. There's a little cover here. Open this one up. If you reach further back, there is a module. I believe it's a tele module or satellite module. Unplug it. There is a fiber optic light here. So we're going to bypass that by getting one of these bypass fiber optic. You simply plug that in. Like that. Okay. Radio display came on. It works. To check the radio, you got to take the radio out by removing this air vent right here. It's real tight all around. The clips, to remove that, two torque screws holding on to this display. This is just a display. This is not an actual radio. The actual radio is down here. That's the radio. This one is just a control panel.